Welcome to Biocreative channel.
Are you still confused about resting membrane potential? Curious about how the sodium-potassium pump operates within your neurons? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get answers to these questions. First off, let's address the concept of resting membrane potential. Neurons have a negative charge inside compared to the outside. It's all due to the balance of ions across the cell membrane. Inside the cell, there are more negatively charged ions, such as proteins and organic ions. Meanwhile, outside the cell, there are more positively charged ions, like sodium and potassium. This creates a voltage difference known as the resting membrane potential. But how is this voltage maintained? The sodium-potassium pump is a crucial protein embedded within the cell membrane. It actively transports 3 sodium ions out of the cell while simultaneously bringing 2 potassium ions into the cell. This process requires energy in the form of ATP. Let's break it down further. When the pump binds to ATP, it undergoes a conformational change, allowing it to transport ions against their concentration gradients. You might wonder why this process is important. Well, the sodium-potassium pump not only maintains resting membrane potential, but also plays a crucial role in nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction, and overall cell function. When a neuron receives a signal, it triggers a series of events leading to the depolarization of the cell membrane. The sodium-potassium pump then helps restore the resting membrane potential, preparing the neuron for the next impulse. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.